Hi, welcome to Learn with Diva. This is a challenge video. Do you accept the challenge? Well, today my brother Dave and I will be doing the Super Sandwich Challenge. So here's how it works. There are going to be a bunch of ingredients here and we have to pick the ingredients for each other's sandwich. So he might pick some terrible ingredients for me, but I have to eat the whole sandwich.
And whoever has mental toughness, they will eat both sandwiches in the end.
No, that's not true. Okay, so here are the ingredients. We have olive oil, cheese, curd, tamarind paste, peanut butter, my favorite, coffee mate, mayonnaise, pesto sauce, pickle, chyawanprash.
If you go to Indian store, you can find
Cookies, gummies, date, frozen vegetables,
onion,
banana,
lemon,
strawberries and blueberries, bell peppers, cucumbers, cornflakes, broccoli,
No.
ew, and cake.
The
Now
secret
it's
cake.
time for the sprinkle. We have cocoa powder, Bournvita,
That's the protein over here.
marshmallows,
Millions of marshmallows.
puffed rice, chili flakes, salt and pepper, sambar masala, sugar. Sugar. That's the last thing. Okay, now finally we
Give
can
me.
start. Victory! And now we need bread.
Okay. So that is multi-grain because it's healthy.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors to decide who goes first. Rock, and we're only doing it once, okay? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I
won. We have to do it 3 times.
I won. Okay. Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win 3
No,
times.
3
I
times.
won 3 times.
But why?
I won 3
I
times.
thought you were going to restart the 3rd time.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. See? Okay, let's see what weird thing. So once I choose something, he cannot choose it.
If I have something in my brain, then I'll say, don't pick this.
Let's see. I want him to have tamarind paste.
What's even that? It looks like peanut butter.
It's not peanut butter. This is my knife, the tomato knife.
Ew. It looks
Mana,
like
you're
dark
not taking this one.
chocolate.
This is not dark chocolate.
It's dark chocolate. How does
I'm
it
just going
taste
to
like?
use the- Okay, now you can't use this.
I'm gonna put this.
Olive oil.
Olive.
No, I'm going to choose a really bad I'm going to put mango pickle on, which I love.
Bingo.
Okay, this is the pickle. Oh no, that's enough.
Make it extra flavory.
I'm closing this.
Extra flavor. What is that?
Pesto sauce. You can use peanut butter. Now for the topping. Okay, so first thing I want to put on his is cake. Can I? Yeah. Let's see. Blueberries gummies. I need this.
Why? I'm gonna put
How much are you
this
gonna put?
bell pepper.
I'm making such a beautiful sandwich. You're crushing it through. I'm going to put something really horrible in it first.
Fresh.
I'm going to put it.
Yup. It's tasty. I like it. It's decided. Marshmallow.
Yay, I get marshmallow.
Squishy wrapped tomato. Crushed red pepper.
That's it, Manu.
I'll eat both of them. And I have this slice of onion. I'll take this. What?
Sambar
It says
masala.
Sambar masala.
Masala?
Time to eat our sandwiches.
Yes.
Oh, gosh. Time to switch plates. Now I have to eat this whole thing.
You eat first.
Okay, my turn. I mostly taste good. Okay. Let's eat more.
Drop more. This tastes bad with sambar masala.
This is actually good.
This is actually bad. It's bad.
It's good.
Can I try?
No, I never. This is actually pretty good.
This is actually pretty bad. Try from the middle.
I don't want to eat your. It's against the rules.
I hope you enjoy watching this video. To watch more challenge videos, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning. We didn't use banana.
I'll eat banana right now.
Me too. I also want it.
No, against the rules. I got it first.